Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this look right here, I got my inspiration from a friend who's going to a wedding, and she wanted to know how to do like a wedding guest makeup look. So she's got a pretty elaborate outfit, and yeah, so I just thought that this is a pretty good look to wear if you are a guest to a wedding and you want to look a little bit glam and pretty but not better than the bride. Then I guess this is a pretty good look. It's a halo eye look, and yeah, just some glittery gold halo in the middle of the eye with just some warm red tones and obviously MAC Ruby Woo. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching.
So after I've done my eyebrows and primed my eyelids, I'm taking my Morphe 350 palette and I'm going in with this mustardy orange shade as the first of my transition colors. Now I'm using this just to build up my crease and just to set down the foundation of my eyeshadow. And the only reason I'm using this mustard shade is because, well, it's a change from brown. So now I'm just quickly blending this eyeshadow all out. Taking a slightly darker orange shade, I am also working this into my crease, but I'm also concentrating most of the pigment towards the outer end of the crease and then just dragging whatever's left into the rest of my crease. And now I'm just blending that out as well. With this orange shade, I'm actually concentrating this also on the outer V, and I'm bringing it into the rest of my crease and eyelid, but I was using circular motions just to buff that color out a little bit more. Now going in with this chocolate brown color, I am putting this onto my outer V just to darken it up a little bit more and just to create some depth for this look. I have now swapped over to my Unicorn Sauce palette from Switch Beauty. Using that pinky red shade, I'm also placing this into my crease just to warm it up a little bit more. Remember to always blend every step of the way just to get all these colors looking good and just to keep it neat. So now going in with this darker reddy orange, I'm also placing that in my crease, and this is just to create depth. It's just to give you an eye look that looked like you tried. Taking one of the darkest brown shades in the 350 palette, I'm also concentrating this on the outer edge of my eye, so in the outer V, just to darken it up a little bit more and create some depth. I'm actually now blending this out, but you will see as I continue, I'm actually placing this on my inner corner, the inner portion of my eye, because I will be creating a halo eye look. After I've placed the color on the inner and outer portion of my eye, I am now joining it up by adding that same brown shade into my crease. Next, I'll be taking my NYX liquid liner, and for this look I'm actually not doing a wing. I am just doing simple plain eyeliner because my friend doesn't actually ever wing her eyeliner out, so I just did a simple eyeliner, no wing. And then next I'm just taking some mascara and just coating our eyelashes with mascara to prep for my falsies. So after mascara, I'm taking my black eyeliner and just tightlining my eyelids. My eyelids? Yeah. Okay. Tightlining my eyelids as well as my lower waterline. So as I start to line my lower waterline, I am not taking this black eyeliner all the way from end to end on my lower lash line, because I am stopping halfway just to create a more open-eyed look. So going back in with this dark brown eyeshadow from the Morphe 350 palette, I'm taking this on a definer brush and I am just smoking out that eyeliner. As usual, just take a fluffy blending brush and blend everything out. Taking this same orangey pink shade, I'm also placing a little bit of that onto my lower lash line where we put that brown. Now using a shimmery vanilla shade from the 350 palette, I am just going to quickly highlight my brow bone and then take my fluffy blending brush and blend everything out. So as you can see, I've applied my lashes off camera, and now I'm taking that same dark brown shade and just darkening up the outer and inner part of the eye look. I feel after you've placed your lashes, it's easy for you to now see where you need to intensify your look up and where you need to add more eyeshadow and add more definition. Right here, I'm just taking a more tapered blending brush and just blending everything out and into each other. Now taking my Colourpop Super Shock shadow in the shade I Heart This, I am just placing some of this into the center of my eye for a little bit of glitter. And on a detailer brush, I'm also picking some of that Super Shock shadow up and placing that into my inner corners. So now I'm just going to quickly put some mascara on my lower lashes. And then it's time for lips. So for lips, I am going to first line my lips with this LA Girl lip liner, and this is in the color or shade Cherry. So I'm just lining my lips with Cherry. I feel like when you're working with red lipstick, you have to line your lips because it's very, very easy to make a mistake. So for my lipstick, I am using MAC's Ruby Woo. I really like this particular shade for this look, and because Ruby Woo is a blue toned red, I feel like it works with all skin tones, and that's why I like it. So now for a little bit of bronzer, I'm using the Bahama Mama bronzer from The Balm just to bring some definition back to my face. And I'm going to hit it with some highlighter, and this is Soft and Gentle by MAC, and I'm just putting a little bit onto my cheekbones and a little bit on to the center of my nose. And I'm just taking my Real Techniques blending sponge just to calm it down a little bit. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.